This my two Satoshis. This my two Satoshis. Who need 2 cents when they can get double from stacking Toshis? Yeah, this my two Satoshis.
Oh my God, this is hilarious. Your boy Crypto Blood. Welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis. It is Friday, and I gotta give a shout out to Voice Crypto for this song request. Wow, Dylan Locke featuring Meet Kevin, Buying the Dip. This is the funniest mix-up video I've ever seen. I'm gonna drop a link to this one in the comments below. You guys gotta watch this video. Look at this. This is hilarious. My man Charles Payne over there at Fox Business News, they just straight mixed him up in here with the guy Meet Kevin, the financial guru on YouTube. I know you guys probably seen him, but yeah, go check this joint out. I'll leave a link in the description. Pretty damn funny. Hope everyone's doing well today. Welcome to another episode. I don't even know I'm speechless. To be honest with you, I'm speechless because we literally have 37 cents DOGECOIN right now. Listen, I never thought I would see 5 cents DOGECOIN. So this is just amazing. We got a lot to talk about today when it comes to what is the catalyst behind all of this pumping. I mean, I know we have Elon Musk out there just pumping DOGECOIN every second that he gets, and people are definitely jumping on it. But in my opinion, I think it's bigger than him. I think it's bigger than Elon Musk. I think there are a lot of things from a financial, fiscal, monetary, if you want to call it, policy standpoint that's causing these types of crazy moves up. They're almost really hyperinflationary events. It's just not happening in the actual US dollar or in things priced directly in the US dollar, right? You don't see bread going up 100% today, but you're seeing these cryptocurrencies go crazy. That's where the hyperinflation is being expressed. Why? And if will it spill over into your traditional goods? I don't know. We'll have to see, but it's best to be in something like a cryptocurrency where it protects you from the day that we do see bread go up 100% like DOGECOIN did, right? So we're going to take a look at what's going on with DOGECOIN. It has literally doubled in one day, okay? Up 5,000% year to date. I mean, it just doesn't make any sense. However, I don't think it's over. To be honest with you, I don't think it's over. And we'll talk about it. Definitely caught me by surprise. I didn't see this coming, to be quite honest with you. I never saw this coming. But the question is today, is DOGECOIN or coins like DOGECOIN going to take over Bitcoin in its use case as a currency? I think it's already done that. I like DOGECOIN for the use of a currency because it's inflationary, so that people won't feel like they have to hodl it. You don't have to necessarily feel that way. You're not pressured to feel that way because you know that every year 5 million more DOGECOIN being printed, so people can freely spend these tokens. Unlike Bitcoin, where it's deflationary, we know it's a fixed amount, 21 million ever to be created. We don't even know how much of those have been lost, stolen, burned or whatever. So that supply is even lower than that at the end of the day with Bitcoin. So that's, we look at that as a very precious asset to hold. And you're not going to go spend that at Starbucks or Neiman Marcus or wherever you're going. And if you are, you're probably going to try to replace it. So then at that point, it's like, why even do it? You're spending more money in transactional costs buying something with Bitcoin and then going back and buying Bitcoin to replace what you purchased. Just doesn't make sense. So you want a coin like DOGECOIN. It's even better than Litecoin because, again, Litecoin still has a fixed supply. Even though it's bigger or larger than Bitcoin's fixed supply, it's still fixed. All right, it's still a finite supply. So as adoption comes in, more and more people start using cryptocurrencies, that fixed supply of Litecoin is not going to look like a lot as more people gobble it up and more people, utilize it. So in my opinion, DOGECOIN or coins like DOGECOIN are ripe for that position to be a real digital currency for the people, not owned by any of these governments. Okay, not owned by any of these central banks, owned by the people, maintained by the people. So I'm starting to change my take on DOGECOIN, and one of the biggest catalysts behind that is because of Elon Musk. He has the star power. If he's going to continually pump this thing, that's free marketing for DOGECOIN. You're not getting that with some of these other inflationary tokens. So I'm not saying they're not going to be around, but it looks like Dogecoin has solidified itself. And I got to get on my old mining machine and see how much Doge I got over there, because I did go and get it from the storage unit. So definitely got to do that. I've been so busy, haven't had time to do that. But Doge is on its way to shock a lot of people. Will we see a volatile move here? Will we see a retracement? Yes, I think so. That's going to happen with this coin, because there are so many coins being created a year. People that already hodl it are going to be like, hey, I might as well just cash out, buy another coin, or go back into fiat. So we're going to talk about this move by Dogecoin in the last month, man. I mean, it's just insane. Doge is like number 7 now in the market cap. It's up 500% in 30 days. I mean, you guys let me know. Did you think this was going to happen? We're going to have this conversation with my guy, Alan Henna, Black Money, over the weekend. We're doing another live stream, finally getting the old crew together. So tune in for that this Saturday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll be discussing this because he felt like Doge was going to $1. Some of the other guys felt like it was going there as well. I was like, hey, I didn't say it wasn't going to go there, but give me a time frame. Looks like Alan may be closer to the right than wrong. We'll see. We'll see, though. It's already up 1,800% in 1 year. Insane. Also, we're going to talk about Edward Snowden sells his NFT for $5.4 million in Ethereum. Wow, this piece just says stay free, and it combines Snowden's image and a court ruling. This is crazy, guys. Absolutely crazy. We will go over this and just get a update on the NFT markets, because it is hot. It is definitely hot. And I'll try to squeeze this one in if I have time. Topps baseball card maker and MLB are issuing their official NFTs. And guess what? It's not on Ethereum. No, it is on Wax blockchain. This should help people understand that Wax blockchain, when it comes to NFTs and digital assets, is a contender. Okay, they definitely are a contender, and this only helps prove that point. So we'll talk about that if I have time today. And of course, you know, my NFTs, you got the Dogecoin right there. Go check that out. Link in the description below. But I'm rolling out my latest series today as well. We'll talk about that here in a second. But all 3 articles are coming up on today's episode of My 2 Satoshis. Let's get it. Before we start, if you guys find these types of videos informative, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and click that bell to receive more videos like this. And as I just mentioned, yes, season 1 Crypto Speeders, a Crypto Blood and Moon Lambo collab. First card coming out today. It is the CB Bull Run NFT card, and I didn't actually get anyone to guess the right card that I would be in, which was kind of shocking. It is the old school Lambo Countach. So that was it, Lambo. I just wanted someone to say Lambo. No one ever mentioned Lamborghini as one of the cars. I got Audi, I got all types of other cars, but not Lambo. Of course, we got to go with Moon Lambo. Got to go with Lambo as the first card, of course, right? So check that out. It is available. Link in the description below and pinned at the top of this video in the comment section. I'm so excited about this. We'll be releasing one every week. Let me know in the comments below next week's vehicle. maybe you can win some. All right, so check that out. Link in the description below for this collab new release with myself and Moon Lambo. That's shopmoonlambo.com. All right, let's take a look at the heat map. All right, we've got Bitcoin down 2.4%, and that's what the crypto sphere is talking about. Bitcoin's down to almost 3%, while you got Dogecoin up 100%. They're trying to say, you know, what's going on here? Is Doge taking over? You guys let me know in the comments below for sure. I need to know what your thoughts are on this crazy epic move up with Dogecoin. Ethereum down 3.4%, but BSV and Bitcoin Cash are doing pretty well today. Neo is doing well. Litecoin is up pretty well today. It's up 6%. That's pretty good. EOS is up 7%, but all that pales in comparison to what Dogecoin is doing, up 101%. Looks like 93% right now, but it's going crazy. Just going crazy. And if we take a look at the technicals, we did drop back below this trend line, guys, and almost touched that yellow trend, but it does look like we may be making that move downward to that line. Okay, maybe we'll get a bounce off of there. If not, again, the only line I have, I'm going to extend this, is all the way out here. All right, that'll be a drop all the way to 50,000 at this point. The longer it stays above this region and makes newer highs, the higher our bounce target is, as this trend line moves from bottom left to top right. So that is good news, and there is a silver lining with that. But first article, let's take a look at Edward Snowden. I mean, I'm a huge fan of Edward Snowden. I think he did us justice, okay? Exposing the NSA, that whole PRISM network program. I think he really helped the awakened people realize what they think is really happening, okay? The people that ain't woke, nah, they still don't even really know who Edward Snowden is, to be honest with you. It's sad, but anyway, Edward Snowden did an NFT sale called Freedom of Press, okay? This NFT artwork was created by Edward Snowden and has sold for $5.4 million in Ethereum. Stay Free, quote unquote, portrays NSA whistleblower and exiled American with hand on chin like a modern Rodin statue. Look closer, however, and you will find the image has been formed from the pages of the U.S. Appeals Court decision that the Patriot Act did not permit mass collection and surveillance of Americans' phones records by the NSA. All right, and here's a tweet and a picture of it. This is pretty dope. It says, a reminder that the symbolism of Snowden minting his first NFT goes far beyond the price tag. The decentralized technologies powering this auction will fundamentally reshape our world precisely to curb the abuse of power. I love it, man. While the ACLU won the case, Snowden remains persona non grata in the U.S. for his role in making the NSA's surveillance program public. So if you guys don't know much about Edward Snowden, I think my audience does. He, while a computer analyst back in 2013, began leaking classified documents to the press. Shortly after being charged with espionage, Snowden flew to Russia, where he was granted asylum, then residency. Snowden sold the artwork on Foundation, a community-driven NFT marketplace where the overly attached girlfriend NFT sold for 200 ETH. And a Nyan cat animation earned 300. Those amounts seem relatively paltry to the 2,224 ETH spent on Stay Free, Snowden's first NFT. This is just crazy. According to Snowden, the proceeds will go to Freedom of the Press Foundation, a nonprofit established in 2012 that develops open source communications and encryption tools, as well as tracks press freedom. As the foundation's president, Snowden serves on the board alongside John Cusack, journalists Glenn Greenwald, and Daniel Ellsberg. That's what's up, man. I guess all the proceeds are going to the foundation, which is definitely a good cause. Let me know your thoughts on that. I mean, you can't really complain about that. It's all going to a good cause, it looks like. Secondly, want to talk about Wax and Topps, what they're doing over there. The baseball card maker and MLB have partnered up to issue an official NFT. All right, a set of Topps Series 1 baseball non-fungible tokens will be issued by the major card maker in partnership with Major League Baseball and MLB Players Inc. So a set of non-fungible tokens will be issued by the United States leading trading card maker Topps in partnership with Major League Baseball and MLB Players Inc. You know, I think NBA probably jumped the gun and went with the wrong platform. They should have gone with Wax. It's not a closed private blockchain like Flow is, though Flow is, you know, hopefully going to expand and be more decentralized as they go forward. Who knows? But Topps' flagship annual baseball card collection, now to circulate in NFT form, reflects the company's pivot toward a digital transition, which they need. MLB is suffering, man. They really are. To help bridge between the traditional and digital worlds of collectors, artwork from the physical versions of this year's Topps Series 1 baseball release will be re-imaged and enhanced for the official licensed Top MLB NFT set. A range of cards of varying degrees of rarity, from common to legendary, as well as limited edition and platinum anniversary cards, will be available for purchase. Moreover, the company is making use of motion graphics and what it dubs nostalgic card templates and other digital flourishes to increase the allure of the new digital set. So there you have it. Topps is no stranger to the NFT space at all, guys. I mean, they did the Garbage Pail Kids. That was a huge success. EOS Detroit had their hands in some of that as well. Did artwork for a few sets of that that release, that series, they're doing well. Topps is really hitting it out the park when it comes to these NFTs. It's only helping Wax. And if you want to talk about crypto investing, you got to look at how you can play this success and future success of releases like MLB, and I'm sure other bigger sports leagues are going to look into Wax once this release comes out. So, I mean, you have a coin that is currently ranked 171. Market cap is only $374 million. It's currently trading at 26 cents. So that's how you can play that. And you also want to buy Wax so you can support all the artists in the Wax community. You know, you got me, you got Ken Bozak, and even internally with EOS Detroit, our lead artist is actually releasing something very soon as well. So this is how you can support us, is by having Wax. And once you use it, you're going to be sold. It's literally instant. It's no fee. It's just wonderful. And it's all built on EOS.io. All right. So you know I'm excited about that. So that's big news for Topps landing that MLB deal. So we got to talk about this DOGECOIN. This is just crazy. It doubled in a day and is up 5,000% year to date. DOGECOIN, the meme-based altcoin that has become a favorite talking point, of course, of Elon Musk, has doubled in 24 hours to hit an all-time high of 29 cents. I saw it even higher than that. I saw it in the 30s. In what appears to be an almost unbelievable move, DOGECOIN has also become the 8th largest and now 7th largest market cap coin, surpassing Litecoin, Chainlink, and Uniswap. Definitely should be higher than Uniswap. At the time of writing, a single Doge is trading around 25 cents. Again, it's much higher than that. Up 80% on the day, now 100% and 300% over the past week. Year to date, 5,000%. These articles, I mean, were just put out today and they're already outdated. That just lets you know what type of environment we're in right now, ladies and gents. And it appeared that even professional traders had been caught by surprise. I know I was. This pump, this one guy says, this is the first Doge point I have missed in years, but I still absolutely love to see it. Favorite asset of all time. Changed my life in 2017. Happy for you guys. So it's interesting because I don't know, like, is it people selling after the Coinbase listing because Bitcoin took a hit after Coinbase listed? Are people just portfolio rotating some of those gains over into DOGECOIN? Is it just a confluence of that and Elon Musk, the spokesperson for Doge, pretty much? You know, you got to give pretty much, I would say, all this credit to Elon at this moment. I'm going to be honest with you. Without Elon making any tweets, you would not see these types of momentum in the upward direction with DOGECOIN. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy because after one person does it and you get another big holder do it, it just feeds on itself and it starts really rallying, you know. And I think that's what's happening right now with DOGECOIN. Be careful. I said it even at 5 cents when it went from 9 cents down to 5 cents. I said you're going to have a correction. It came down. A lot of people got shaken out. So be careful if you're buying. Make sure it's for the longer haul because this thing can go back 50%, 67, 70%. You know, whenever this next bear market comes, which I don't think it's even going to be this year, but when it does come, these coins are going to get hit hard. Learn your lesson from 2017. I know I certainly did, but I got to go check that mining machine. I'm definitely going to check that thing out. See what DOGECOINs I still have resting on there. I was looking at my emails. Oh my God. The emails that I had from like mining pools that I used to be a part of back in the day, showing the amounts of DOGECOIN I was making a day, will blow your mind. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. So yeah, let me know your thoughts about that. Do you like DOGECOIN? Is it just a pump from the richest man in the world, and that's why who we got to give credit to for this whole pump? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to know. And that's pretty much it for today, ladies and gents. Shout out again to my man Voice Crypto for that song request. This is crazy. Look at this video, y'all. Oh, and before I leave, if you have a song request, you just need to hashtag song request under any of my videos. And also my actual premium members, I put out an airdrop for you guys. You're going to be able to get my Roll the Dice NFT for free. I'm just going to airdrop it to you. You need to send me your WaxP address and I'll send that to you guys. Only got like 9 responses so far, so I need you guys to do that. I'll be doing the airdrop maybe sometime this weekend. All right, so That's pretty much it though. If you found this video informative, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and click that bell to receive more videos like this. I'm out of here, people. Holla!
1,000 people live in a Discord who are spamming rock